Teach me, Lord, guide me steps every day. Yeah, man. Prince Carlton sing. Sometimes my heart feel heavy inside. Too much pressure, nowhere for hide. But you remind me life pass fast. So walk with wisdom while time still lasts. Me used to worry, fight every fear, carry burdens year after year. But now me place it all in your hand, 'cause only you truly understand. Lord, teach me how to guard me tongue. Help me remember where my strength come from. Every breath and every day, lead me, Father, all the way. Teach me, Lord, to number my days, guide my heart in all of your ways. When we're weak, you give me grace. Your love and mercy I embrace. Oh, I trust in you alone, no matter where this life may go. Prince of Peace, you calm my soul. Lord, you are in full control. Me look outside and see the sky, mountains tall and rivers wide. Creation show your mighty hand, everything obey command. When we're restless in the night, you surround me with your light. Every closed door, every delay, still you're making better way. You are my refuge, you are my peace. Chains break off and worry cease. You restore me when me fall. Loving Father, through it all. Oh Lord, me hope day in a yo. Teach me, Lord, to number my days. Fill me life with wisdom and praise. Every season you remain, sunshine after every rain. Oh, you carry me through everything me owe to you. Psalm 39 inside me soul. Jesus, keep me spirit whole. Teach me, Lord. Oh, guide me, Lord. Oh, every step, every word. Prince Carlton sing. Your love forever. Oh. Your love forever.